Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Mo. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, as you can see in the title, it is about getting rid of these viruses that's causing illnesses in your home, the flu virus especially. Okay. So I definitely work in the medical field. So one of the things that I want to do is to clean out my home when the flu virus is just attacking so many people. I know you guys have seen in the news the statistics on people getting the flu and children dying from the flu, or loved ones are dying from the flu. This is crazy. So for today, I wanted to go ahead and show you the different areas that we may be neglecting while we're cleaning. So I'm just going through my house and I want to get it out. So my husband was sick and my kids was sick. I was sick with the virus. And it is ridiculous. I mean, so we definitely want to make sure we get it out of our house. So I just want to go ahead and take this opportunity to share some tips with you on what I'm doing. So these are definitely areas in our homes that we're neglecting. Meaning we're forgetting. So areas in our home that we're forgetting to clean or not cleaning that much, because these are highly trafficked areas. Like, I'm just going to be showing you things of high traffic area that we're missing. So I hope you guys can use these tips to help you keep your home safe and free of flu viruses, because we know we have so many trafficking coming in and out of our homes, and we're touching things, and we're at work, at school, the kids are at daycare. It is just so much. We have just got to get this flu thing out of our house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and show you the things that I'm doing to make sure the flu stays out of my home. So to start off, I will start off with my Lysol disinfectant wipes. I love this. It's 99.9% in killing bacteria and viruses. So the first area that I'm going to start off with is my front doorknob. I definitely have to clean this area off first, because this is definitely highly trafficked. We go in and out of the front door. And then, of course, I have to get all my light switch posts. These areas we use on the daily, so I have to wipe down these areas. Well, you want to make sure you get all the light posts in your house. Next area that I would like to get is definitely my fridge, because we use this every single day. I don't know how many times a day, maybe 10 or more times, but you want to get the handles, you want to get all the buttons areas that you use constantly. I'm wiping down my fridge handles and the button areas maybe 3 or 4 times a day. The next area that I like to definitely make sure to let you guys know to also don't forget the handles on your toilets. This is a different push handle, so you want to make sure you touch those areas with your Lysol disinfectant wipes. And don't forget the lights post as well, the light switches as well. You want to definitely get those areas on your way out of the bathroom. This is like my guest bathroom, so I'm definitely making sure to touch on the areas here, the doorknobs and the light switch, the light plates as well, with my Lysol disinfectant wipes. And also an area that we tend to forget, guys, is our remote controls. You want to make sure you clean these every single day. So I definitely do this about twice a day, definitely in the daytime, and then I do it at nighttime, because we constantly use the remote control every single day. So I just want to make sure that I clean it every single day. So these are areas that we tend to forget to clean. So you want to make sure you clean this on a daily basis to reduce viruses in your home. And also, guys, how many of us are guilty of this? We have our cell phones and we do not wipe them down. You must wipe down your cell phones, because viruses can be kept on these areas. So I make sure to wipe it 2 or 3 times a day. Wipe your cell phones down and get that Lysol disinfectant wipes and get those bacteria and viruses off of that area. The next area that I tend to do is my living room and my actually great room. But after I'm cleaning up and just folding up all of my throws and my sheets and everything for my couch, I definitely want to make sure to get my Lysol Max spray. This covers like a wide range, and I love this Lysol spray, and I would add all of my cleaning my useful products that I use in today's videos for you guys. I will have that down below. But I love this Lysol spray because it covers such a large area and you can spray it on your upholstery. So I definitely make sure to do it at least twice a day because I do have visitors and guests that comes over. So I go ahead and spray it on my pillows. Next, I love to use my Lysol. I have different, of course, smells in my Lysol disinfectant wipes. I love the lemon scent. So one area we tend to neglect a lot is our trash can. Now, this trash can does have a foot pedal to open it, but I have my young nieces and nephew who does not yet know how to use it. So you want to get these areas where it has a little handle to in the trash can because they throw things away, their hands are dirty, they sneeze, and they touch these areas, and sometimes we do the same thing, and we want to make sure it's clean. The next area you want to do is you want to clean all of your little throw rugs. After I wash them, I put them in the dryer. You want to make sure you clean these rugs thoroughly and dry them well because these are highly trafficked areas in your home. And of course, in my great room, I have my upholstered furniture, and of course, like you saw me before, I spray all of my pillows because they're cloth materials. So I go ahead and spray the entire chair. I love this spray, guys. This thing is like the best. It's like a new spray for Lysol. It covers a wide area, so you don't have to do much going back and forth, but this is so good. So like I said, I will add that down below, and I go ahead and spray these areas. These are areas that we can tend to forget about, but like I said, the viruses and bacteria can be held in these areas. So you want to make sure you get all of your pillows and areas that you have guests and just different people coming to your homes. You want to make sure you get those areas. And let's not forget the floors. The floors, I definitely do those last. And I have wood floors, so I definitely want to make sure I sweep them all up first, and then I get my disinfectant floor cleaners to get those areas as well. So I definitely have to do that. And the other area that I constantly am doing is my stair banister. I definitely want to make sure that I am wiping these areas down because it is so important. We come up and down these stairs, you can sneeze, you're walking down, you don't realize that you sneeze, you wipe your hand or on the banister, or you just touch that area. So these areas can definitely hold the bacteria and viruses that can make us all ill. So I make sure to get my Lysol disinfectant wipes and go through each area, as you can see me doing here. This is so important to do this, guys. Like I said, I do it daily, twice daily, to go through this area here. Definitely in the daytime and in the evening time. I am a working mom, but I definitely am a clean freak when it comes to this area and keeping our home flu and bacteria free. We definitely want to do that because we've had the flu to go through our house. So this is something so important that I have to do, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and can use these useful tips in your home in order to stop the flu virus. Go through a lot. So that was it for today's video. I thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time watching my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you part of the Bella family. And I hope that you can keep this virus out of your home, first of all. We don't need anybody else getting sick. Definitely not in my house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to live your life beautifully, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.